Yo, it's Case. If you guys didn't know, I'm from the West Coast, but I live on the East Coast. It's been about 4 years since I've moved away, and I've learned that living in this new area, almost alone, I have a natural tendency to overthink things. North Carolina still kind of feels new to me. But on the real, I haven't really been myself since moving here. Something that's helped is simply being in nature, absorbing it, living it. Like, damn, dude, it's almost as important as family to me. I've always been on the move, striving to be better than yesterday, always wanting more. I'm obsessed with chasing the future, but I always catch myself asking, how can I expect people to like me? How can I expect to love myself without ever really knowing how to be present? Truly present. We all have dark moments in life, but there's no point in holding on to them. For me, I'm still learning how to let go of my past, but I've found the best lessons and reflections now come from my solo camping adventures. Anyways, without overthinking of how people will judge me or react to this, all I wanted to say is, nature heals. It's freaking underrated, man. Being present in nature never fails to remind me that tomorrow's never guaranteed, and I want to share these feelings, memories, simple moments with all of my friends, old or new, and family while we're still all here. So I ask you, is nature really more important than family? Well, for this East Coast brother, for all the times I am alone, it is.